Hi everyone, I am Ashlyn Schultz. I am originally from Gearing, Nebraska, which if you don't know where that's at, it's like 45 minutes from the Wyoming border and 3.5 hours from Denver, Colorado. It's about 6 hours away from Lincoln, Nebraska, which is where I currently live now. This past May, I actually graduated from the University of Nebraska here in Lincoln. I studied community health and wellness and I absolutely loved it. And now I'm hoping to get accepted into nursing school. I want to do the accelerated programs, so hopefully I'll start that here in January. I'm taking this course as a prerequisite. I tried to push all of my prerequisites through, so I'd be done by May, but I have a couple left that kind of popped up that I didn't have time for, so I am now taking them. Um, Now that I'm not in school full time, I'm actually working full time. I'm a nurse aide at Madonna Rehab Hospitals at the acute unit. So if you don't know much about that, it's with like a lot of TBI patients, so brain injuries, and then we also have on the other side there's spinal cord injuries. Um, I really like it. They're both kind of different from your ordinary hospital settings. Um, but they all have their pros and they all have their cons. I don't really have a favorite yet. Um, I eventually want to become a nurse practitioner. I thought I was set in stone on being a pediatric nurse practitioner, but going into nursing school, I don't want to be narrow-minded on anything because I've also fallen in love with like heart stuff, and so I don't know where exactly I'll go, but we'll see. I'm gonna just try to keep an open mind with it. I have one dog. She is actually living with my parents though, so she's not really my dog, but she's still my dog. She's been my little puppy since third grade, so she's been here a while and she's still doing good. She's about 14 years old maybe, somewhere in there. But the doctor said she's still pretty healthy, so that's good. I am an only child. I have a strange addiction to skydiving. I eventually want to skydive in all 50 states. And I've been skydiving for about 3 years and I try to jump at least once a year. I'd like to do twice a year, but I've been so busy with school and trying to push through because I actually switched my major multiple times and I wanted to graduate on time, so I didn't get the opportunity to do so. But yeah, and I'm excited to take this course with everyone.